We are pleased to show you the 2020 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, power tailgate, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.